Some people they sell land, some they sell gold, but this boy, na him own shadow, he sell. For one small village we hide for inside forest, na there everything start. Him name na Sani. Pikin wey hunger don nearly finish. Him mama sick, and money no dey. Wow. 3 days. No food. Hope don't nearly die. But that night, something noticed him. Forest spirits, them don dey watch am since. As hunger push am, he enter where human no suppose enter. Light no be normal light, na something else. Then, them show face, no be human. Sani, we fit help you. Hunger they fight fear, and fear they lose. We go give you everything. Money, food, life. But nothing is free. Give us your shadow. Shadow? He no understand. Na small thing. You no go feel am. See life where they with you. Mama, he no fit watch am die. Okay, I agree. And just like that, darkness collect him. No blood, but something don't go. Deal done complete. And when he wake,
money full ground.
hunger don't end. Mama begin dey okay. Village begin talk. Where this small boy see money? But one thing, no follow am back up. Him shadow don't disappear. Na there fear start. Something no complete again.
Sani, 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 Sani.
Them never leave am. Deal no finish.
Payment just start.
Because when you sell your shadow, you no just lose light. You lose yourself. Watch how this story continue. Because wetin Sani go face next go shock you.